In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Zoom waiting room notification sounds. If you've ever missed someone waiting to be admitted because you were sharing your screen or juggling other tasks, turning on a simple chime can make all the difference. It gives you an immediate audio cue that someone has arrived, so you can admit them promptly and keep your meeting flowing. Start by opening your web browser and going to zoom.com. From your account homepage, look to the left-hand navigation and choose My Account. That takes you to your personal dashboard, where we'll adjust a setting that controls how Zoom alerts you during meetings. Next, find Settings in the left menu and select it. This area contains all the preferences that shape your meeting experience. At the top of the Settings page, choose the Meeting tab. Then open the section labeled In Meeting, Basic. This is where Zoom groups the most commonly used meeting controls. Scroll down until you see the option called Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. This is the feature that plays a brief chime when participants arrive or depart. Enabling it helps you notice new arrivals right away, so you can admit people from the waiting room without constantly watching the participant list. Click the toggle to turn this setting on. When it's enabled, you'll see the switch change state, confirming the chime is active. Depending on your account, you may also see a small menu next to the toggle that lets you choose who hears the sound, typically just the host and co-hosts, or everyone. For most meetings, limiting it to hosts and co-hosts keeps things quiet for participants while still alerting the people managing admissions. A couple of quick notes for clarity. If the toggle appears grayed out or shows a lock icon, that means the setting is controlled at the account or group level by your organization. In that case, you'll need an administrator to change it. Also, this is a global setting for your account. Once it's on here, the chime applies to the meetings you host going forward, so you don't need to repeat this each time. That's it. With sound notifications enabled, you'll get an audible heads up when people join or leave, making it much easier to keep an eye on your waiting room and admit attendees right on time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you run smoother, more responsive Zoom meetings.